how about this? You want me to get the coals going and you do the cooking?
Sure.
All right.
I'm gonna go and toast this bun. Let's get this over this way. Ooh!
Yeah, that is slabs of bacon. Get it lower, let's splash less. Okay. Right there. There you go.
It's good.
Good sound on that.
Tastes amazing. It's the best.
Mm-hmm. There's a. Yeah, that's good. Tom, you got your cinnamon roll. You want to warm it up? Lay right there on those coals.
And we can share if you want.
So I'm planning a. There you go, Tom. It's a little bit.
I'm impressed with myself.
You should be impressed with yourself, Tom. It's a big deal. You're 13. We never practiced this or anything, did you?
No, we practiced cooking, but I just.
You know what would taste good in really hot chocolate?
What? Oh,
A cinnamon roll.
Yes.